Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance Pricing explained what you get for your money. You might be surprised to learn that Liberty Mutual's pricing isn't fixed, it's personalised to every driver down to the smallest detail. Most people get this wrong and assume all insurers work the same way, but Liberty Mutual takes customisation to a new level. On average, Liberty Mutual's full coverage policy costs around per month, while minimum coverage typically starts near. Pricing depends on your state, driving record and vehicle, but what makes Liberty Mutual unique is how you can fine-tune every part of your policy. Their base coverage includes liability, collision and comprehensive protection. You can also add options like new car replacement, better car replacement and accident forgiveness. For instance, better car replacement lets you replace a totaled car with one that's a model year newer and has 15,000 fewer miles, a rare benefit in the industry. Liberty Mutual also offers RideTrack, a telematics program that tracks your driving habits. Good drivers can earn up to a 30% discount. And for those who bundle home and auto, savings can reach 20% or more. Here's a real-world scenario. A 30-year-old driver with a clean record and a newer car could pay around per month for full coverage after RideTrack and bundling discounts. That's strong value for the protection you receive. In conclusion, Liberty Mutual's pricing is built for flexibility. You can scale up or down based on your needs and risk tolerance. While it's not always the cheapest, it rewards safe, consistent driving and gives you premium coverage options you won't find elsewhere. For drivers who want control and strong benefits, Liberty Mutual offers solid value for every dollar spent.